freeze-proof hose bibs. Just a quick video. This is what a freeze-proof hose bib looks like. The actual valve that you're opening and closing, you can see there's a long stem that goes deep inside the pipe, which is deep inside the wall of your building or house. And so the actual valve itself is inside the climate-controlled space. They also need to be installed with a slight downward slope, not perfectly horizontal. On the right-hand side, you see what they call a freeze-proof wall hydrant that requires that little key to turn the water on and off. These both have built-in vacuum breakers, and the wall hydrant you'll find in industrial commercial settings. You never want to leave the hose attached to a freeze-proof hose bib in the wintertime because any residual water could freeze and burst and damage your valve. They do offer rebuild kits at Lowe's and Home Depot if your valve leaks and doesn't shut off all the way. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future videos you would like me to cover.